I'll take every complaint I get seriously, or every piece of information I get seriously. Some piece of information I get, when you go and do, a bit of exploring on it, it may not, have a great deal of, it may not have a great deal of weight. But at the very least, what I will do is put in a parliamentary question and see, is there validity in it? So, look, if somebody is willing to come to me confidentially and give me information that I can explore, and if they don't want to make, their names, if they don't want to put their names into the public arena, I certainly won't be putting them into the public arena. When I look at how some whistleblowers have what the position that they've found themselves in, particularly in relation to the Gardaí, it hasn't always worked out the way. I think there's a whole new culture where we actually value people that will come forward.
And the whistleblower expressed maybe some of these concerns?
No, just gave me the concerns and gave me names, lines of inquiry.
Just got in touch with you?
There was a combination, and it was more than one person. Yeah.
Okay. And you can't say if they were from the department or?
No.